That feeling of waking up bloated, heavy, and sluggish. What if it didn't have to be your normal after 60? What if, while you slept, your body was actively cleansing, repairing, and preparing you to wake up feeling lighter and more energized? Emerging science reveals that the night is a critical window for gut repair, and by drinking one specific, simple elixir before bed, you can activate your body's internal vacuum, flushing out accumulated toxins and waste that contribute to inflammation, constipation, and fatigue. Tonight, we're revealing 7 science-backed nighttime drinks designed specifically for the mature gut. They are safe, natural, and work in harmony with your body's own rhythms to give you a fresh start every single morning. Why your gut after 60 craves. This nightly ritual. As we pass the age of 60, our digestive system undergoes silent but significant changes. Gut motility, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through your system, naturally slows down. Your liver's detoxification pathways can become less efficient, and the production of digestive enzymes decreases. This is why bloating, constipation, and that sluggish feeling become more common. But here's the powerful part. Nighttime is when your body shifts its energy away from processing food and toward deep cleaning and cellular repair. It's the prime time to support your system. These drinks aren't laxatives. They are gentle signals. They provide the specific hydration, fibers, and compounds that tell your liver to detox more effectively, your colon to initiate natural peristalsis, and your gut lining to repair itself. You are essentially giving your body the perfect tools for its overnight renovation project. Drink 1, the classic cleanse, warm lemon and honey elixir. Our first drink is a timeless classic. For a reason, it's your gut's best friend before bed. But before I give you this simple recipe, I want to share something fascinating. Right now, 99% of people watching this are learning about these powerful gut healing drinks without being subscribed. We've set a big exciting goal to reach 100,000 subscribers this month, and we genuinely can't do it without you. If you're ready to finally wake up feeling lighter and less bloated, please show your support. Hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. It truly helps us grow and continue creating this life-changing content for you. Now, for the recipe you've been waiting for. Recipe. Juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey stirred into 1 cup of warm water. Drink this 1 hour before bed. The science behind it: the warm water stimulates digestion. The lemon juice encourages the liver to produce bile, which helps break down fats and move waste. The raw honey is a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and its antimicrobial properties help keep bad bacteria in check. Together, they create a gentle cleansing effect that also calms the nervous system, setting the stage for deep restorative sleep. Drink 2, the hydration boost, cucumber mint detox water. This drink is like a tall glass of freshness for your intestines. Recipe. Thinly slice half a cucumber and add it to a pitcher with 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves. Add 1.5 cups of water and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour to infuse. Sip this in the hour before you go to bed. The science behind it. Cucumber is incredibly hydrating and has a mild diuretic effect, helping to flush out excess water weight and toxins. Mint relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract, which can relieve gas and bloating. This combination alkalizes the body, reducing the acidic environment that harmful gut bacteria thrive in. Drink 3, the gas reliever, Fennel seed. Infusion. If nighttime gas and discomfort are your primary struggles, this is your go-to remedy. Recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to 2 cups of boiling water. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink warm. Enjoy this 30 minutes before bed. The science behind it. Fennel seeds contain compounds that have antispasmodic properties. This means they help relax the smooth muscles in your intestines, relieving cramping and gas. They also stimulate the production of gastric juices, improving overall digestion. It's exceptionally gentle, making it ideal for those with IBS or acid sensitivity. Drink 4. The Blood Sugar Balancer, Apple Cider Vinegar and Cinnamon. This drink is a powerhouse for those also concerned about blood sugar spikes, which can disrupt sleep and health. Recipe: 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, a pinch of cinnamon, in 1 cup of warm water. Drink 30 minutes before bed. Warning: avoid this if you have active ulcers or a very sensitive stomach. The science behind it. Apple cider vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity and can lower the blood sugar spike after a meal. This creates a more stable metabolic environment overnight. The acetic acid in ACV may also support the growth of good gut bacteria. Cinnamon adds an extra blood sugar regulating boost and has anti-inflammatory properties. Drink 5. The Internal Sweeper Boiled Flaxseed Water. For a more stubborn gut, you need a gentle but powerful push. This is it. Recipe: boil 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the seeds out and drink the slightly thick, gel-like water. Sip this warm about an hour before sleep. The science behind it: when boiled, flax seeds release soluble fiber called mucilage. This gel coats the stomach and intestines, soothing inflammation and acting as a gentle, bulk-forming laxative. It absorbs water and softens the stool, making it much easier to pass in the morning without any harsh cramps. Drink 6. The Stress Soother Chamomile and Ginger Tea. If your gut issues are tied to stress or anxiety, this calming blend is for you. Recipe: steep a chamomile tea bag and 2 thin slices of fresh ginger in a cup of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink warm right before you get into bed. The science behind it: chamomile is renowned for its ability to calm the nervous system via the gut-brain axis. It can reduce stress-related digestive issues. Ginger, with its gingerols, stimulates digestion and relieves nausea. Together, they relax both the mind and the gut muscles, preventing nighttime cramps and promoting peace. Drink 7. The Gut Lining Healer, Aloe Vera, and Honey Cleanser. This drink is specifically designed to soothe and heal an inflamed or irritated gut. Recipe: mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure food-grade aloe vera juice, not gel from the leaf, with 1 teaspoon of raw honey and half a cup of lukewarm water. Drink 1 hour before bed. Important: ensure you use internal-grade decolorized aloe vera juice. The science behind it: aloe vera contains compounds that have a powerful anti-inflammatory and healing effect on the gut lining, making it excellent for conditions like leaky gut or general irritation. It also has a mild laxative effect. Combined with the prebiotic power of honey, it helps repair the gut ecosystem while ensuring smooth transit. Your personal overnight gut reset protocol. To get the best results without overwhelming your system, follow this simple plan. Start with 1. Choose the drink that best addresses your biggest concern, e.g., bloating, constipation, stress. Use it for 3 to 4 nights in a row to see how your body responds. Timing is key. Allow at least 2 hours after your last meal before drinking your chosen elixir. This ensures your stomach is empty and the drink can work directly on gut repair and cleansing without competing with food. Daytime hydration. These drinks work best when you are already well hydrated. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day to prime your system. Rotate for results. After a week or 2, feel free to rotate to another drink. This prevents your body from building a tolerance and provides a broader range of benefits. Living with constant digestive discomfort can dim your light and drain your vitality. But as you've learned, your body possesses an incredible innate ability to heal and cleanse itself, especially at night. You just need to provide the right support. These 7 drinks are more than just recipes. They are invitations to a new relationship with your body, one based on gentle nightly nourishment. You have the power to change how you feel every morning. Now, I'm genuinely curious. Which of these 7 gut-resetting drinks will you try first? The classic lemon and honey, the soothing chamomile and ginger, or perhaps the powerful flaxseed water? Let me know in the comments. Your choice might inspire someone else to start their journey toward better gut health. If you're ready to take more simple, natural, and powerful steps to feel your best after 60, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We are dedicated to bringing you the science-backed secrets to vibrant, lasting health. Thank you for watching, and here's to your deepest sleep and lightest mornings.